travel and we have a family trip. So pupunta tayo ngayon ng Manila Hotel because they are going to attend their graduation ball because Kambal is going to graduate this month, no? This month. So finally magkakaroon na kami ng mga college girls. Kaya pupunta tayo ng Manila Hotel to check in. We're hoping for early check-in kasi mag-aayos pa sila at dalawa sila. And of course, we're going to show you the room na rin, amenities, and of course, ang kanilang breakfast buffet. So, see you in a bit. Bye-bye.
Use the left lane to turn left on Cadogan Drive.
Okay, so we're here at the Manila Hotel.
Full parking.
Oh my gosh,
Yan ang sinasabi natin.
I-drop mo muna kami sa lobby. So this is the reception area. Video to. Okay guys, our room number is 1603 and we had an early check-in. So prepping for grad ball later. Sana ba yun? 1603. Okay, let's check. Welcome. Nalalagay ba to? Dito? Yeah. Ikot. Oh my gosh, 2 single talaga, no? So, it's 2 single bed. And they have safe laundry bag. What's this? Sewing kit. And a lot of locker area. Ano ba? Cloth area. Ay, paano ba to? They also have bathrobes. Super luma na ni Manila Hotel, no? Parang hindi na siya masyadong placing. And the kids. Let's check the CR. Pero yung CR nila is bago. And of course, let's check the toiletries. Kung anong klase. Wala. Customized lang. Pero complete, no? They have body lotion, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, vanity kit, sanitary bag, shower cup, and of course, ang inyong dental kit. So, ayan. I'm just wondering kung may heater itong... And merong toilet. I'm sorry, bathtub. So, basically, guys, ito na ang aming room for an overnight stay lang naman here in Manila Hotel. Later, we are going to check the amenities and of course, tomorrow ang ating breakfast buffet. And by the way, we are entitled to a 20% discount sa mga pagkainan except for drinks. And free naman ang kanilang parking. Pwede mo rin i-valet. And what else? Getting ready for the grad ball later. So, this is our view here. Nice. No, Han? Ganyan pala yun. Yung barkuhan, no? Laki. Ito, guys. So, guys, sa 5-star nitong lugar na to, ito lang na-provide nila sa bar area. Nescafe. Coffee mate. May gosh.
Ba't walang tsaa?
Ayun, meron siya sa labi. Let's check this. Okay, meron ref. May ref. And may mga ano. Ayan. Lalagyan ng kape. Oh my God. Ayaw pa atang kape. Oh, there's water here. Mineral.
Imagine mo ba?
Alin?
And
May pa-slippers. Pa-slippers. Ay. Yung mga cabinets nila, palyado. Huh? Hi guys! So, finally, we are here at our room. 1603. So, dalawang single bed and it's facing the Manila Bay. So, sobrang ganda ng view and I think mamayang gabi mas maganda yan. So, we got this through Agoda amounting to 6,700. You can also get this through Klook. Just type EPLT Klook to get 5% discount on your hotel and activities here in Manila. May kasama ng breakfast for 2. And merong 20% discounts sa mga purchases mo sa restaurant except for the drinks. So far, we got an early check-in around 11 a.m. yata. Parang ganyan. Or mga 11:30. Nakapag-check-in na kami. Maybe because sinabi namin na it's for the grad ball event later. So, kaya siguro nag-allow sila ng early check-in and ano pa ba. So, mamaya iikutin natin yung amenities. Sobrang dami ng tao. Ang dami event for today. So, ikutin natin yung amenities and then yung kanilang pagkain. And so far, okay naman. Kaya lang itong Manila Hotel ay sobrang luma na para sa akin. It's a 5-star hotel pero medyo yung kanyang mga gamit ay hindi na pang 5-star. So, luma na talaga. Parang ganun. Luma na mga cabinets, luma na yung, I don't know kung luma lang yung setup, pero parang luma talaga siya. So, ayun, we'll keep you posted later. I-check lang namin yung aming mga kailangan gawin for the preparation of grad ball.
Ito yung evolution ng Batman.
Of course, guys, love your own.
Batman
Ayan.
1989.
Meron na palang Netflix, YouTube, and ano siya, parang Smart TV ba tawag doon? Smart TV or Android TV. Ayan.
Sa araw na ito, ililibre na sila.
This is Alexa's outfit later. And prepping for the makeup. Super nice naman ang iyong ano.
I can only be there for
Parang paganon mo siya.
Look at my baby.
Pero half lang yung
So beautiful.
Ganon mo din. Okay. 1.
No, I mean like, ipi-video ko lang kayong dalawa. And we'd like to thank Miss Kat G, hair and makeup, photographer, videographer overall. Yeah. So, kuhain nyo siya. Definitely worth it.
Stylist.
As in, stylist and overall package. So, hindi na kayo nagdala ng ano, purse? Wala na, no? Hindi ba na naman kayo... Enjoy! Knockers! Psst. Psst. So, guys, they're gonna have a graduation ball here in Manila Hotel. So, nagsisneak lang tayo. Ganda ng gown. Yeah? Did you enjoy? Ayan pala eh, oh, magkakasama na eh. Oh. How are ya? Good morning. It's our second day here in Manila Hotel. Baka second day naman, akala mo naman. Overnight stay nga lang pala kami rito. Well, anyway, baba tayo to check out the breakfast and it's already 6 a.m. Okay, let's go. So, feeling namin wala pa masyado mag-breakfast ngayon sa sobrang puyat. Actually, 2 a.m. na kami natulog. So, antay sa mga kaganapan. Sana wala masyadong tao. So, ang breakfast nila ay sa Cafe Ilang Ilang. From 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Kaya, aagahan natin para makita natin yung kanilang mga sinaserve for breakfast. Okay. So, ito ang kanilang breakfast area. Hi, miss. Good morning. For two, 1603.
1603.
So, let's check their breakfast menu. Pero ito yung entire place for breakfast nila. Request for 2 omelette except everything except on mushroom. Yeah. Thank you. So I'll just return to get it. Thank you. guys. So, naikot na natin. As you can see, ang daming food. International ang kanilang breakfast buffet. Merong Western or American buffet. American breakfast. Meron din ako nakitang Chinese area, Korean, meron din. And then, ano pa ba? Meron din ako nakitang Indian area, halal. Tapos, dami bread sections, and then fruit sections, ang dami din. And then you have the option kung anong coffee ang gusto mo. They also serve hot chocolate. Marami ring milk choices, ang dami ring dessert choices. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay kakain na tayo. So, ang mga kinuha natin ay ayan. So, we tried the pork meatloaf. Of course, ang ating veggies, fish, fillet, and then a little of the beef tapa, pork lechon paksiw, and of course, ang ating fish and chicken longganisa, and then paggawa tayo ng scrambled egg. Ang ating mga breads. Ako, they also have, and ayan, ang isang gutom ng tao. Yan, nag-request din tayo for ano yung juice mo?
Cranberry.
Cranberry and apple juice. Yeah, they have also a lot of juice options. So, itong breakfast buffet na to ay from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And we are seated at the poolside. So, let's start eating. Bilang favorite ko ang dinner meal. Ito natin. 6 a.m. pero ang dami ng tao, no? Grabe. So, sumakses tayo sa 6 a.m. kahit nakatulog lang natin. Or at least makita natin yung buong selection ng food nila for breakfast. At hindi tayo makastorbo. Taho pala. Let's try taho. Yung taho section, very dulo siya. Kaya hindi mo masyadong mapapansin. Mainit pa. Sarap pa. Anong lunch mo?
Masarap. Parang siyang ano. Nalo namin parang hardinera ba tawag doon? Oh, masarap.
Talaga.
Di ba sabi mahirap lutuin?
Masarap ito.
Fish. Fish.
Kung pupunta kayo dito sa cafe ilang to eat breakfast, yung jacket kayo malamig. Ha? Buti na lang jacket kami. Veggies. Huwag natin kalimutan. Steam veggie. Hindi ka na veggie. Mamaya puntahan natin yung mga amenities nila. Sobrang dami kasi ng tao kahapon. Wala ba? So yung mga dogs namin, inubo namin. Yung dalawa. Overnight stay lang naman. It's the first time na inipo namin sila sa house. Simply because we have this CCTV camera. Binili namin sa Shopee. Ang pangalan niya ay Topo. So, itry niyo. Sobrang plug and play lang siya. And compatible siya sa 5G. Kasi may mga CCTV camera na hindi siya compatible sa 5G. And makikita mo lang sa app. Meron lang siyang app na ida-download ka. The usual thing. Topo app. Tapos, makikita mo na kung ano yung mga activities ng mga aso. Makikita mo na okay naman. Diba? Ayan. Iniwan namin sila. So, ayan, ganyan. Makikita nyo. So, you can buy this at Shopee kasi maraming mga available na CCTV pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung pinaka-okay. Actually, ito rin yung ginamit namin nung nagpunta kami ng US, diba? To check. Very important ang CCTV sa house lalo na kung wala ka lagi. Na-monitor mo kung ano nangyari sa house. Kung yung anak niya umuwi na at yung aso niya kumain na. Ayun, try nyo. I will just put the link in the comment section or I will tag the product and you can use YouTube shopping for this product. Okay? So, try natin yung kanilang tinapa. pinakawid. Sarap. Red cherry tomato. Sarap ba? Yung garlic rice. Ay, sana kumuha tayo na ano. Meron doon, ano, salted egg. Sarap. For dessert, we have this honeydew pineapple and watermelon. Mukhang mga fresh yung kanilang fruits and mukhang matatamis. So, dessert na siguro tayo. Of the watermelon. Usually talaga sa mga buffet, mas maganda i-mix mo yung main course at saka yung dessert para hindi nakakasama. So guys, let's check the Sea Breeze pool. Meron silang ano bar, oh. Parang ano tawag dyan? Floating bar na something. Asan kaya yung ano?
Baka doon, sauna.
Yeah.
May gym din ata.
Talaga. Ito, Spa MH Health Club. Ito, may gym. Sarado pa to. Maaga pa eh.
May mga lockers. Kasama ba ba yung locker? Mag-iwalay. Hiwalay.
Asan
Ano
daw?
oras mag-open? Sa taas?
Okay lang po. 6 a.m. Simula po 6 a.m. hanggang 10 p.m.
Sa taas?
May
Ano?
locker na din.
Tingnan natin. Let's check. Gym area. Pero,
Oo nga.
so, meron sila. Stevenson, male and female. May timbangan pero huwag tayo mag-abala sa ganyan. May mga lockers. Nice. Shower area. Steam room. Sauna to. Sauna. Sauna area. And lounge area. Steam. Under maintenance. Nice. Okay, we're checking out. So guys, that's it for our Manila Hotel vlog. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep you posted. Bye-bye!